Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome sa Mavs. Magte-test tayo ng dalawang unit ngayon. Dalawang Lancer Tactical Gen 3. Okay? So, LT-02B, G3 M4 CQB. Ito, ganun din. Magkaiba lang ng colorway. So, kinuha siya sa atin going to Pampanga. Okay, so yung mga Gen 3 natin guys, may ETU na sila. Polymer front assembly, polymer yung receiver. May front and rear sights, naka-swivel, flat trigger, reinforced internal parts, 6.03 mm na inner barrel, naka-swivel, butterfly swivel, crane stock version 1, and may kasama na ring case yung unit. May kasama na ring tong grip. Okay? So, yung ETU niya guys, fully programmable yon. Pwede kayo mag-program 2 round burst, 3 round burst, 4 round burst, and 5 round burst, and binary. Okay? So, test natin. Magazine capacity is 300 rounds. Sobrang sulit na nito guys. And by the way, quick release din pala siya. So kung magpapalit kayo ng spring, if in case na gusto niyo magtaas or magbaba ng FPS, madali na lang. For the trigger response, maganda yung trigger response niya since naka-ETU unit. Check natin. Quality check tayo before natin i-out yung unit. Firing. Full auto. FPS out of the box 370 to 390. $385. Okay? Again, LT-02T at saka 02B. Guys, parehas to naka-sale. Check nyo na lang sa Google Drive natin under the budget meal folder natin. So, kung may mga tanong kayo regarding units, mag-PM lang kayo sa page natin.